Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a yoga flow to help strengthen your spine. Our spine is literally our backbone, so good spine health means a good health overall as well. So if you want to work on some stretching and strengthening for your spine, come flow with me. Meet me on your mat in a child's pose. You can bring your big toes together, take your knees wide here. Let your arms go out long in front of you and relax your forehead towards your mat. Take time here just to breathe. You might even close your eyes and begin to turn your attention and focus inward. Notice your breath. As you inhale, look forward and walk both palms over the right edge of your mat. You can even place the left palm on top of your right. Breathe in and out here, and with each exhale, allow your left hip to sink just a little bit closer to your left heel. They never have to touch, but you can feel this intense opening in the left side of your body here. Inhale your way back to center. As you exhale, walk both palms over the left edge of your mat this time. Again, you can place that right palm over your left if it feels good in your body. And with each exhale, sink that right hip closer and closer to your right heel energetically. Continuing to breathe into this opening you're creating. Inhale your way back to center. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, press yourself up into a tabletop. Wrists, elbows, shoulders all in one line. Knees underneath your hips. Inhale, drop your belly low. Reach your chest high. Exhale, round the upper back as you look in between your thighs. Inhale into your cow pose. Exhale into your cat pose. Really feeling this in your spine as you take a few more rounds following your own breath. Notice the movement and notice your breath. With your next inhale, lift your chest high, and as you exhale, look over your left shoulder. Inhale back to center. Exhale, look over your left shoulder. Come back to center. As you inhale, send the right arm out in front of you. Left leg lifts behind you. This is a spinal balance. Breathe and hug your belly button up and in. Engage your core. And as you exhale, bend the left knee and reach back with your right palm. You may or may not make a connection. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale the left palm forward and the right leg back. Breathe, engage your core. Balance here. As you exhale, bend the right knee. Reach back with your left palm. Exhale, bring the palm and knee back to center. Walk your palms forward, coming into a modified plank pose. Engage your core. Exhale, lower all the way down to your belly. With your palms underneath your shoulders, inhale, lift just your upper chest, baby cobra. Exhale, nose to mat. Press into the tops of your feet as you inhale and lift. Exhale, nose to mat. One more time, lifting up. Exhale, nose to mat. On your next exhale, shift your hips up and back into your downward facing dog. Take a moment to shift and adjust. Keep your spine nice and long here as you pedal out your feet. Hug your belly button up and in. As you inhale, bend your knees and look forward. Exhale, walk or step to the top of your mat. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. This time as you inhale, lift up halfway and pause in this space. Send the crown of your head towards the front of the room. Send your tailbone back towards the back of your room, creating space in your spine. Core is engaged. On your next exhale, fold forward once more. And as you inhale, rise all the way up. Palms reach up overhead. Exhale, send your left arm forward, right arm back as you twist towards your right. Keep your hips as square as you can. Inhale back to center. Exhale, twist to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale your palms to heart center as you fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step back to your plank. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. On your next exhale, bend your knees and walk your palms back towards your feet. Take a moment here to lift up halfway. Exhale, bend your knees, sink your hips low. Inhale your arms high, chair pose. And we'll find that open twist once more. Exhale, left arm forward, right arm back. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale, walk your palms forward, finding your way into your plank pose. Engage your core. Breathe here. As you exhale, send your heels to your right. Inhale the left arm high. Side plank. You can always bring your knee down here. Exhale your way back to center. Inhale, side plank on the opposite side. Right arm lifts as you turn your heels to the left. Exhale, come back to center. Bring your knees down, cross at the ankles, and find your way into a seat. Shift yourself to the center of your mat. Bend your knees, feet flat on the mat. Take your left heel underneath your right knee. Send it towards your right hip. And then if you can, cross your right foot over your left thigh. Hugging your right knee. Inhale and lift, lengthen your spine. And then as you exhale, twist over to your right side. You can just keep hugging your knee here. If you'd like, you can hook that left elbow across your right thigh. The closer you have your right palm to your body, the more you can lift and the more you can twist. Inhale your way back to center. Take a moment to unravel your legs, and we'll take that on the opposite side. Right heel next to your left hip. Left foot crosses over your right, planting it firmly down. Take a moment to send the crown of your head up towards the sky, lengthen the spine. Exhale, hug the left knee as you twist to your left. Again, plant the left palm close to your body behind you. You can even be on fingertips here. This just allows more length and a deeper twist. Breathe in and out. Inhale, come back to center. Unravel your legs. Take your legs out long this time. We'll take a seated forward fold. Take a moment to find your sit bones firmly on your mat. Inhale the arms up. As you exhale, hinge at the hips, reach forward. Let your palms grab onto wherever they land. Hug your belly button up and in to create space for a deeper fold. With each exhale, notice if you can go just a little bit deeper. Close your eyes and find your breath. Pull the toes towards your nose for a deeper stretch. Allow any tension in your lower back to release here. Inhale, engage your core, walk the palms back. as you rise. Place your palms behind you, and as you inhale, lift your hips up for a reverse plank. You can always bend your knees here and take a reverse tabletop instead. Again, find your breath, engage your core. Exhale, lower your hips down, shift yourself to the center of your mat, and lay all the way back and down. Extend your legs out long. Place your palms beside you. Let your feet fall open. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth and sigh away as you release into your mat. We just took our spines through all 6 ranges of motion, twists and turns, flexion, extension, lateral movement. Let the benefits of that practice soak in. You can stay here as long as you'd like and come up when you're ready. Thanks for joining me for this flow. I hope you found it beneficial, and if you did, please be sure to share it with your loved ones or on social media. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me. As always, the clothing I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below. Let me know in the comments below which types of flows you'd like to see more of. If you want to flow a little bit more, check out my vinyasa playlist right here, and YouTube thinks you'll like that video down there. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.